Srutika Suresh is an actress in the Malayalam TV industry. Srutika worked in the Surya TV series Sundari, directed by Sudhir Babu, Faisal Adimali and Divya Darshan. Sundari is the remake of the Udaya TV series Sundari. In 2022, Srutika played an important role in the serial Ennum Sammadam. Srutika played the role of Vaika in the series along with Anjali Rao and Unnikrishnan. In 2022, Srutika played an important role in the serial Ennum Sammadam, telecast on Mazhavil Manorama. She shared the screen space with Ashwati S.R., Fasil Rehan and Rahul Ramachandran. In 2023, she was seen in the Mazhavil Manorama series Manimuthu. The series features Shafna Nizam, Avantika Mohan, Stepin and Mranmai along with Srutika. In 2024, she worked in the Malayalam movie The Spoils, directed by Manjit Dibakar, Anjali Amir, Preeti Christina Paul, M.A. Rahim and Darsha Dailan played the lead roles along with Srutika.